Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Red and Pep, The Big Fight. Once upon a time, there were two birds named Red and Pep who were very good friends. One day they went to fetch tasty grapefruits from a very tall tree. Then they flew away from the tree. Red's wing knocked out Pep's grapefruit from his beak. Red said it was an accident, but Pep was mad at Red for making him lose his tasty grapefruit. Red became angry and said he would not be friends with Pep. Pep said, "Okay," then flew away. Pep went to fetch himself the best grapefruits he could find. Pep tried to eat the grapes, but he missed eating with his old friend Red. Red found a very tall tree and sat there all by himself. Does Red have to be like bigger than a cloud? Because he's literally covering the entire cloud. And he's literally bigger than the tree. How is he sitting bigger than the tree? That's not even possible. I mean, I get it, it's a fiction book, but maybe we can be a little more realistic. But when Red turned around, he wished his old friend Pep was sitting there with him. Red missed Pep and wondered if Pep would still be his friend, so Red flew off to ask him. Pep also missed Red and wished he hadn't been angry with him, and Pep flew off to find him. Then they met. They were happy to see themselves. They both hugged and were sorry for being apart so long. And as Red and Pep flew away into the sunset, they promised never to let anything come between their friendship ever again. The end. So, this book isn't really the big fight. It's just two people, like one of them just slaps somebody's grape out of their beak, and then they start fighting, then they go away, then they just come back, then they're just friends, and the end. It's a very short story, but I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!